Hello mga ka-UVG, kamusta kayo dyan? Tingnan natin kung anong last week of May mo. Last week of May ng ating mga Virgins Collective is regarding sa work, merong snaky dito. Ano yun siya, Virgins? Ano ko naramdaman na energy na merong isang tao na iniisip niya maiisahan ka, nakaisa. I don't know, something in that line. Okay. So, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Maraming salamat po in advance. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung anong last week of May. I think Virgo, use your intuition when it comes to surrounding people around you. Okay. Kasi merong, ayun na naman, merong mananamantala talaga eh. Okay. Four of Wands is all about the home. Di ko alam, baka family member or maybe coworker, pangalawang bahay mo, di ba? So, I don't know. Friends, something in your circle, Virgo. So, tingnan natin. Last week of May. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Thank you. So, tingnan natin. Queen of Wands. The Emperor. Page of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Merong father figure at saka boss energy dito, Virgo. And at the same time, merong go-getter dito with the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is a very fiery energy, very passionate. Okay. Merong gustong mag-offer dito, Virgo, because sa nakikita ko, merong tell me more. Kasi merong Seven of Wands eh. Nasa high ground ka. And for some of you, hindi ko alam kung ikaw lang to, self-doubt. Pero meron din sa kabila ng utak mo na kaya mo. Pero itong mga iba dito is self-doubt. Okay. Yung mga yung meron kang isip na negative at saka positive. Lahat naman tayo actually. Ano ba naman yan? Ibig ko sabihin, may mga doubt ka dito. Kung hindi to another person na nagsasabi sa'yo na para magkaroon ka ng self-doubt, hindi naman nila kasi nakikita. Hindi naman kasi nila alam kung paano strategy mo, time management mo, ang adaptability mo sa sitwasyon. Kung hindi ka nila, they don't know. Okay. So, you're standing your ground here, defending your own truth, Virgo. Kung anong alam mong way, in your own terms, in your own way. Okay. Kung ibang tao to, pero minsan can represent din na ikaw lang sarili mo, nagbabangayang ka mo. Nakikipagbangayan ka sa sarili mo. Okay. Pero definitely merong offer dito, Virgo. Or a gift or someone, small gesture, opportunity, small opportunity, but it can grow, depende sa Depende sa pag-nurture. Ang page po is new beginning, new opportunity, start from small, gift. Can represent also a gift, a present, Virgo here, or level up. Okay, level up ng konti. Okay, pero merong Queen of Wands dito. So, Queen of Wands is a very passionate person, character. I mean, go-getter siya, very passionate. Kung meron siyang project talagang hindi siya pwedeng, ano talaga, um, walang unstoppable kasi ang Queen of Wands. Okay, very fiery energy, very passionate on something. Project man yan, or kahit ano pa mang basta gusto niya, kukunin niya, gusto niyang gawin, gagawin niya talaga. So, with the Emperor card, merong boss energy dito or father figure na magusto mag-offer dito sa Queen of Wands. Okay. Or maybe this is two person na gustong mag-offer dito sa iyo, Virgo. Lumaki na. Opportunity. Malaking ano to. Increase, maybe. Bonus, maybe. Basta, merong ano dito, Virgo. Tip, incentives, I don't know, pero meron ditong opportunity na malaki. For some of you, merong offer sa'yo dito, job offer or career offer or level up. If you are already in a stable job, okay. Baka mapopromote, promotion also. Okay. So, meron nakakakita ng potential mo dito, Virgo. How you work or how you do things, multitasking. As I said, with the Queen of Wands and the Emperor card, you're bossing up here. You're bossing up in your own energy, Virgo. Nasa focus ano ka eh. Kaya nakaka-attract ka ng mga opportunity dito. Page of Pentacles to the Ace of Pentacles. 'Di ba? Grabe ang skyrocket from rags to riches na sinasabi. From rags to riches, Virgo. Together with the Queen of Pentacles. Oh yes. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so ito ang mag-i-stabilize sa'yo, Virgo. Queen of Pentacles. Yung passion mo. Yung pagiging mossing up energy mo. Okay, basta there is a level up here. In the end of May, meron ditong increase, merong promotion, merong new exploring things here, Virgo, new idea, new opportunity na din as well na magbibigay sa iyo ng stability with the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Pero magsisimula lahat sa passion mo, fire. Emperor at saka Queen of Wands. You're bossing up, baka energy mo lang tong Emperor. Okay. So you start from small with the Page of Pentacles. Okay. Meron ditong paparating sa'yo na windfall. When it comes to finances, opportunity, Virgo. End of May. Merong mag-i-stabilize dito, Virgo, with the Queen of Pentacles. Mag-maintain sa'yo or mag-i-stabilize sa'yo financially. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, Virgo, keep doing it. New beginning. New beginning and travel here, Virgo. So, tingnan natin. What else? Five of Swords. Naysayer mo. Ace of Cups. Ooh, be careful, Virgo. Merong nag-i-spy sa'yo dito, Virgo. Star card. Mukhang tagahanga dito eh. The Devil card. Dalawang scenario na kukuha ko dito, Virgo. Okay, dalawang scenario. Merong nag-i-spy sa'yo dito. Okay, pero meron din ditong communication. pero walang kwentang communication kasi bakit? May devil tayo sa holiday. Ano lang to sa finances mo? Attracted sa finances mo. And this person with the Page of Swords, Page of Pentacles, gusto lang niyang mag-heal financially. Itadamay ka niya. Maybe this person is financially drained or financially unstable, Virgo. And you, on the other hand, okay. So, with the Ace of Cups, I think meron siyang offer dito. Nakikita ka niya kasi merong merong spy card. Okay, kung sino man to Virgo na nag-i-spy sa'yo, okay, ito yung first scenario ha. Ito yung first scenario na nakukuha ko. Wait lang. Yung first scenario na nakukuha ko, merong nag-i-spy sa'yo dito. And this person want a new beginning with the Ace of Cups. Okay. Nag-overflow ang feeling niya to the fact na ang you're stable on your own. Boss energy, Queen of Wands energy. Okay. You start from small and then you grow and then grow and grow and still growing. Okay. And all of a sudden, meron ditong coming in, communication, confrontation, may nag-i-spy sa'yo dito lahat ng social media mo. Anong social media platform meron ka? Gustong i-heal ang sitwasyon dito pero yung strategy ng pag-healing niya is very toxic. Meaning to say, hindi mo kasi matatawag na love kapag ka meron kang purpose sa person. Yung parang iniisip mong magkakaroon ka lang ng benefits kung paano ka makaka-benefit. You know what I mean? Ewan ko kung naiintindi na or nagigets niyo yung sinasabi ko pero kapag ka-love mo ang person, hindi mo alam kung ano yung dahilan. Okay, pero ewan ko kung correct me if I'm wrong. Pero kapag ka may dahilan, yung love mo is like hindi masasabing unconditional. Hindi yung love mo is conditional, hindi unconditional. 'Di ba? Parang ganun yung scenario nakikita ko dito. Sa second scenario nakikita ko, merong boss energy dito na naa-addict sa kung paano ka gumalaw, I mean strategically. Okay, na-obsessed to sa maybe seeing you from afar or how you handle the work, okay. But with the Five of Swords is meron ditong competition na masasabi, okay. Competitive energy, okay. But you, in the other hand, you are operating, you are very healing, nakaka-addict yung energy mo. But meron dito with the Five of Swords is a competition. Hindi ko alam kung when it comes to work, pero may someone dito na nag-i-spy na your energy is very healing, okay, very refreshing, okay, when it comes to handling task or basta very calming with the Star card and the Ace of Cups, nakaka-addict with the Devil card. So, parang nakaka-addict tingnan, okay, pero at the same time, merong competition dito. Or, baka ikaw lang to with the Five of Swords, nakikipag-argue, tama ba ang ginagawa ko? Okay ba to? Okay lang ba? Alam mo naman yung mga Virgins, overdoing something, with lahat ng over, toxic die. Okay, pero someone here, yun yung pangalawang senaryong nakikita ko na someone is watching you from afar and this person is nagugustuhan niya kung ano nakikita niya but at the same time merong competition dito. Okay. Mga confrontation din. Okay. Confrontation na shutdown ka talaga. Kasi you can see right through the bullshit. You know what I mean? What else, Virgo? King of Cups. King of Cups. Wala lang sa hulog kasi yung communication dito. I mean yung tipong utal-utal, yung tipong tatanungin ka pero halata mong yung parang nagmamambiling, mambiling yung paano ko ba masasabi 'to, basta nabubulol Virgo. Merong nabubulol dito kasi ang emotion niya is like 'di ba yung pagkaharap mo yung crush mo, mabubulol ka? No, I mean kung ano-ano na lang nonsense ang sinasabi mo dito, you know what I mean? Yung parang may tatanong ka, tapos parang magsimula lang ng conversation kasi with the King of Cups, this is emotionally matured, but at the same time, sometimes it can go all over the place ang King of Cups. Okay, lalo na sa nakapaikot sa kanyang clarification. Ang King of Cups itself, ito, wala pa tayong gender sa energy ha. Ang character ng King of Cups is very emotionally intelligent. Kaya niyang itago yung emosyon niya in any way, shape, or form. Okay. But sometimes, maalon. Meaning to say, nagmamambiling siya dito with the Five of Swords kasi nasa underneath siya. Nagmamambiling siya kung ano lang tinatanong niya. Okay. Kasi lumabas ang Knight of Swords. Okay. Nag-ooperate to underneath ng Ace of Cups. Nag-ooperate siya kasi yung feeling, emotion niya, hindi niya, hello, yung emotion niya dito kaya ito, tsaka yan, oh my, yung communication niya is just like, basta makasimula lang ng conversation sa'yo. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko. So what else? Tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan sa'yo, coworker or what or something, friends, new people, new person, basta watching you from afar, pinag-aaralan ka nito Virgo. Yun yung second scenario na nakikita ko. Yung first scenario is merong nag-i-spy sa'yo through social media, tapos gusto niya magsimula ng new beginning sa relationship, okay. Pero yung mga communication nito, skeptical ka kasi in some point, merong devil energy, codependency, attachment na sobra dito na asa. Asa ba asa? Kasi tingnan mo naman, you're doing something great here for yourself, future-wise. Okay. Four of Cups. Rejection or missed opportunity. Okay. So, meron ditong someone na with the Four of Pentacles. With the Magician card. Someone is manifesting you here, Virgo. Kung makikita mo. Pero I think ikaw ay nag-heal ka, nagre-recover ka ng finances dito eh. Or merong someone na gustong mag-attach sa'yo or maging codependent sa'yo para maahon sila sa, ewan ko, there is some fishy here. May malansa akong naaamoy dito na part. So, be careful lang Virgo sa mga magbabalik or sa mga gustong collaborate or makipag-team up sa'yo kasi when it comes to finances, nakikita nilang naka-heal ka na or recover ka na sa finances and then gusto nilang, hindi wala namang masamang mag-share kung paano ka umangat or paano ka naging success or heading to success ka pa lang, nasa journey ka pa lang step by step. Hindi naman masamang kaya lang with the devil card, ang gusto nito, you will do all the work tapos uupo lang sila kind of energy. With the Four of Cups, you know what I mean? So, merong missed opportunity to regarding sa pag-grow mo, okay, sa journey mo, merong naka-miss dito. I mean, napag-iwanan. Okay. So, with the Four of Pentacles, you're saving your finances here, Virgo. You're growing, you're saving. And at the same time, merong hindi maka-move on dito na merong missed opportunity, Four of Cups to the Four of 44, stability. Okay. Four of Cups, rejection, spying, hindi niya nagugustuhan kung ano nakikita niya na nagsimula ka na ng new beginning somewhere na, hindi siya, ewan ko sinong taong to. Pero kung sino man tong taong to, okay, Virgo, sa first scenario, kung sino man tong taong to na hindi, para po sa mga Virgo na hindi maka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? So, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Alam niyo na pong galawan, pero meron ditong nagma-manifest kasi lang. Meron namang love, okay. Pero hindi nga love yun kapag may codependent, lalo na sa finances. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo? Sana naman ay nagets ako. Okay. Hindi mo ba napapansin, the moment na mag-detach ka sa mga non, hindi na, oo, hindi ko naman sinabi na ano sila, binigyan ka din naman ng lesson kahit papaano. So, may natutunan ka din naman. Okay. So, nag-grow ka with the Emperor, with the Queen of Wands, tapos yung passion mo ginamit mo, yung motivation mo, yung fire mo ginamit mo. Nagsimula ka sa maliit, tapos naging Ace of Pentacles, hanggang sa naging stable ka with the Queen of Pentacles. And then all of a sudden, there is someone coming in to confront magkukumpronta dito kasi nag-i-spy siya, nakita niyang you're loving yourself more, you're starting something new, nag-heal ka with the star card, and then all of a sudden, yung attachment matitrigger, yung para bagang ay, you know what I mean, Virgo? Yung love is operating somewhere in magka-benefit lang. So, it's not unconditional love, it's conditional. Okay, so be careful, Virgo. At saka I think you need to pay attention to your finances when it comes to the person coming in. Merong nagma-manifest kasi sa'yo dito. Okay. So, and the second scenario is merong boss energy dito or someone is watching you from afar, gustong mag-offer ng emotion, but at the same time, hindi niya alam kung paano siya magsisimula. I think naiisip niya na merong rejection na matatanggap dito o na-visualize niya na kasi hindi to magaling sa communication. Meaning to say, hindi siya ganun kagaling sa conversation basta na lang siya social pot. Yun yung second scenario dito. So, expected niya na may rejection dito and tsaka miss opportunity, okay. At tsaka nakikita naman niyang close off ka. Okay, pero this person is manifesting you. Dalawang scenario ang nakukuha ko dito. Maybe you're dealing with two person or okay, so I don't know. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa. What else? Two of Cups. Merong connection dito, chemistry. Okay. What is this Two of Cups? The Sun card, oh my God. Unsa man na siya day. Mhm. Ten of Wands. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito sa Two of Cups. Oh, meron kang King of Swords. Sa nakikita ko dito sa Two of Cups, the Sun card. Bottom of the deck, Temperance. So, may nagbabalance dito, Virgo. Okay, so meron ditong, ba't ko pa kasi binunukan? Sorry lang, sorry lang. Pero sa nakikita ko, Two of Cups and the Sun card and the Knight of Cups. Meron coming in, Virgo. And this person, if this is a past person, nakakalimutan niyang responsibilidad niya kapag nakikipag-connect siya sa'yo. Okay. Para bagang wala ng bukas. Okay. So, you make this person happy, Virgo. You make this person happy. Okay. I think both. Kasi Two of Cups you feel nilalagyan mo yung cup niya, nilalagyan din niya yung cup mo. So, with the happiness card at saka hopeless romantic card together with the 10 of Wands. Wait, ayaw akong pasalitain eh. Sorry lang. So, nakakalimutan niyang responsibilidad niya na may responsibilidad siya. Nawawala yung pagod niya kapag ano ba yan? Okay. Pero kailangan ng balance dito with the temperance card. One foot in, one foot out. I don't know kung ano ang story nyo or history nyo. If this is a new person, someone is like, ang lakas ng chemistry sa'yo. And you make this person happy. If this is a new person, okay. And with the 10 of Wands, hindi ganun kadali. Okay. Kailangan ng work. Kailangan, para bagang, if you want my trust, earn it kind of energy. Okay. So, if this is a new person if this is a past person, this past person, nakakalimutan niya lahat ng problema niya kapag nakipag-connect siya sa'yo. Baka meron siyang sasabihin dito na ikaw lang, like, ikaw lang. God damn it. Together with the temperance card, but this person is tiptoeing only. One foot in, one foot out. Hindi ko alam kung anong sitwasyon meron dito kasi pag 10 of Wands, this is a responsibility. Pero when the moment na nakikipag-connect siya sa'yo, lumiliwanag. Pero pag tumitingin ulit siya dito sa responsibility niya, dumidilim. Parang nakakapagod. Ewan ko kung anong sitwasyon pinasok niya. I don't know, may separation yata kayo dito or maybe if this is a past person. So sabi ko, if this is a past person, tapos meron siyang communication dito, tsaka I don't know, for the Virgos na dealing with something already, you're dealing with a person that's already, or marami lang responsibilidad. Hindi ko naman sinabing, pwede for some of you. Pero sa mga Virgo na mga workaholic din ang mga naging dahilan ng separation, trabaho, or pangarap, kung yun naman ang mga naging hadlang, once na mag-reconnect, makakalimutan lahat. Nakakapawi ng pagod. Okay. So, pero kailangang balansehin. Okay. So, definitely may invitation dito, reconciliation, baka ayain ka nitong person na to na coming towards you, or nakita ko yung world kanina, 'di ba? So, baka merong travel dito to see you or travel to you to see someone. Okay. Pero tiptoeing, temperance card, balancing things out. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice, Virgo. Tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. Believe into the impossible. Baka may iniisip kang imposible. Imposible. Hindi pwedeng mangyari. Pero I think believe. Believe into the impossible. Okay. Hold on to your vision. So, pay attention sa mga visualization mo, Virgo, because it will manifest into reality. Meron kang magician pati. Meron kang magician, tsaka meron kang devil card. Be careful what you wish for. Yun ang sinasabi ko lang. Dito lang, okay, if you are desiring to reconcile with someone, decision mo yan. Okay, so, basta, sinasabihan lang kita. Nasa sayo din yan, sitwasyon mo yan. So, you know better. Okay. What else? If you can see it to your mind, definitely it will come. Okay, so, tingnan natin. Emotions are running high. Okay. Someone's emotions are running high, or maybe ikaw, Virgo. As I said, merong with the King of Cups here, Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, too much cups here. Okay, so, but also Pentacles. So, finances and emotion, being wise and being at the same time. So, it's up to you, Virgins. So, don't get pride get in the way. I don't know if kanino yan, maybe sa'yo yan. Okay. Be gentle to yourself, Virgo. Okay, Virgins. So, let's see. It's up to you, Virgo. Kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Pero you know better if you are reconnecting with past person with the Three of Cups, reconciliation, it's up to you. Kasi meron talaga dito invitation or maybe planning to see each other or moving somewhere or coffee shop, drinking something, eating, ewan ko, walking in the beach, hell no. Or walking in the park, di ko alam. Tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo. Meron kang king, meron kang 10, meron kang 6, 10, 6, 4. 10, 6, 4 Virgo. So, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Meron kang king and queen, baka kalululuhan, lola mo. Basta, there is some message here, Virgo, na makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. 10, 6, 4. So, yes, this is what I have for you, Virgo, for now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.